Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zusgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Artificial Intelligence, we started our Unit 3. Okay, so Unit 3 is based on knowledge representation and reasoning, where we already discussed about what is meant by knowledge representation, what are the knowledge representation technique, what is proposition logic, predicate logic, and with examples. Then the what is meant by quantifiers also, and what are the inference rules. Okay. So up to this we cover the topic related to this unit 3. So the next point of this unit 3 is the rule based system in artificial intelligence. Okay, so here in this video we are going to discuss about this point, that is the rule based system. Okay, so let us discuss here. The first thing is, so in the past few years the technology has experienced a drastic changes. So in the field of computer science or in the field of artificial intelligence, there are new more advanced researchers and inventions have given way that machine delivers the excellence and help us to imitate the human knowledge. So these new inventions are a result of numerous technology that works behind the scene, and it enables them to deliver the service that are a part of our humans. So the rule-based system is one such technology which is being used extensively across the sectors to develop the artificial intelligence applications and systems. So therefore, today we will explore the concept of rule-based system, that is RBS, and try to understand the roles in the research and the development perspective. So what are the rule-based systems? So in the present, in the heart of automated processes, the rule-based system technology helps to develop the knowledge-based system and the applications. Okay, it helps to develop the knowledge-based system and the applications. So that is the intelligent programs and the software capable of providing the specialized problem-solving expertise in a specific subject by utilizing the domain-specific knowledge. So in this rule-based system, knowledge is encoded is in the form of rules and facts. Okay, rules and facts, and also in the form of a goals. So and it is used to evaluate and manipulate the particular data. Okay, so these are in short in the computer science system that uses the rules to perform the variety of tasks like diagnosis, to solve a problem, then interpretations, or to determine the course of actions in the particular situations. So these are applied to the system involving the human crafted rule nodes, and it can be used to perform the lexical analysis, to compile or interpret the computer programs, or in a natural language processing. So in the rule based system, the well-formed formulas are divided into the two categories, rules and facts. So all these rule-based systems are used, or this rule-based system knowledge is encoded by using the rules and facts and goals. Okay, so in previous lectures we already discussed about what is meant by rules and facts, which is in the form of a well-formed formulas like proposition logic and predicate logic. Okay. So the rule-based system expert consists of the three important elements. First, the set of facts, then set of rules, and third thing is the termination criteria or the interpreter. So in the set of facts, these are the assertion or anything relevant to the beginning state of the system. Okay. So in the set of rules, we have it contains all the actions that should be taken within the scope of a problem and specify how to act on the assertion set. So here the facts are represented in the form of if-then form. Okay, so this is a set of rules. If the particular condition is successful, then we have to perform this particular task. Okay, so there are different set of rules. And the third thing is the termination criteria or the interpreter. So to determine whether the solution exists or not, as well as when to terminate the process. Okay, when to terminate the process. Okay, so this is a part of a termination criteria or the interpreter. So next point is a rule-based system examples. So in the domain-specific expert system that uses the rules to make the reductions or the narrow down choices is one of the most popular as well as classical example of the rule-based system. So in the recent advancement in the technology that has given a way to development of modern machines and the systems like IKEA virtual assistant, then diagnosis oriented Rockwell intelligent system, that is DORIS, and the machine for the intelligent diagnosis, that is MIND. Okay, so these are the recent advanced rule based system examples. The next point is the features of rule based system. So rule-based system is widely used in the artificial intelligence, and it is not just only responsible for modeling the intelligent behavior in a machine and building the expert system, and that outperform the human expert, but it also helps to composed of combining the knowledge of human experts in the problem domain, then represent the knowledge in the highly declarative way. Okay, then enables the use of several different knowledge representation paradigms, then support the implementation of non-deterministic search and control strategies, and it also helps to describe the fragmentary, ill-structured, heuristic, judgmental knowledge. It is just robust and can operate with the uncertain or incomplete knowledge, and it also helps with the rule-based decision making examples, monitoring, control, diagnostics and services, etc. Okay, so these are the features of rule-based system rather than providing the intelligent behavior in machine and building the expert system to the human expert. Okay, then the next thing is the construction of rule-based system. So before we move on the discussion the types of rule-based system, we need to understand its construction. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discussing about the types of rule-based system. So there are two types of rule-based system, that is the forward chaining and backward chaining. So before starting the types of rule-based system, first we have to learn about the construction of rule-based system. Okay, so the construction of rule-based system is plays a crucial role in how the system evaluate the information. So the construction of rule-based system is based on the specific type of logic, such as Boolean logic, fuzzy logic and the probabilistic logic. Okay, so it can be characterized into the two parts. First is a knowledge-based approach and second one is a data-based approach. So in the knowledge-based approach, it is a knowledge-based construction that follows the traditional engineering approach, which is a domain independent. So it is important to acquire the requirements as well as necessary knowledge before identifying the relationship between the attributes. And the second thing is the data-based approach. So this data-based approach or construction follows the machine learning approach, which like the earlier approach, and it is a domain independent. So this rule-based approach is subdivided into the supervised learning and the unsupervised learning. So जो भी नॉलेज बेस्ड अप्रोच होता है वहाँ पे हम कैसे स्टडी करेंगे रूल बेस्ड सिस्टम को, बेस्ड ऑन द नॉलेज. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन द नॉलेज, प्रीवियस वाला नॉलेज के ऊपर हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ नॉलेज बेस्ड अप्रोच. और डेटा बेस्ड अप्रोच मीन्स वॉट, जहाँ पे हमारे पास दो डेटाज गिवन हैं, वो डेटा के ऊपर हम वर्क करेंगे एंड उस वे से हमारे मशीन को लर्निंग टेक्निक प्रोवाइड करेंगे. दैट इज़ सुपरवाइज लर्निंग हो सकता है या फिर अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग. सुपरवाइज लर्निंग क्या करता है, लेबल डेटा के ऊपर वर्क करता है. ऑलरेडी हमारे पास सम लेबल डेटा है, उसके ऊपर वो वर्क करके हमें क्या देगा, सॉल्यूशन देगा, कुछ कंक्लूजन देगा. ओके, एंड अनसुपरवाइज डेटा जो है, अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग टेक्निक जो है वो अनलेबल डेटा के ऊपर वर्क करती है. हमारे पास कुछ भी लेबल डेटा गिवन नहीं है, सो उससे हम क्या करेंगे, अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग टेक्निक को सॉल्व करेंगे. जैसे कि सुपरवाइज लर्निंग का एग्जांपल है, कोई भी हमारे पास स्मॉल चाइल्ड है, उसको इनिशियल टाइम पे कुछ ABCD वगैरह पता नहीं होते, तो अंडर सुपरविजन या फिर अंडर टीचर या फिर अंडर पेरेंट वो क्या करता है, न्यू थिंग्स को एनालाइज करता है, लर्न करता है। सो अंडर द सुपरविजन जो भी हम वर्क कंप्लीट करेंगे, जो भी मशीन लर्न करेंगी वो होगा सुपरवाइज लर्निंग। मीन्स हमारे पास कुछ लेबल डेटा होगा, उसके ऊपर हम वर्क करेंगे एंड मशीन क्या करेगी, लर्न करेगी। अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग मीन्स व्हाट, उसके पास कोई भी लेबल डेटा गिवन नहीं है, अनलेबल डेटा के थ्रू वो क्या करेंगी, न्यू टेक्निक को लर्न करेगी। ओके, जैसे कि सुपरवाइज लर्निंग का एग्जांपल और एक हो सकता है, हमें क्या करना है, हमारे पास मल्टीपल एनिमल्स है, कैट की इमेजेस होंगी, डॉग की इमेजेस होंगी और बाकी भी एनिमल्स के इमेजेस है। उसमें से हमें क्या करना है, हमारे पास एक लेबल डेटा है कि हमें कैट की इमेजेस को फाइंड आउट करना है। सो हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी हमारे पास लेबल डेटा है कैट, उसको हम जो भी हमारे पास गिवन डेटा है मल्टीपल डेटा एनिमल्स का, उसको साथ मैच करेंगे। सो हम क्या करें, हमारे पास 1000 नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स का डेटा है, उसको हम क्या करें, लेबल डेटा जो है कैट की इमेज उसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे एंड उसमें से सारे, सो हम लेबल डेटा के थ्रू एनिमल्स की इमेज में से सारे कैट की इमेजेस को और डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं, उसका ग्रुप बना सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ सुपरवाइज लर्निंग or which is called as a database approach. So another database approach is what here, unsupervised learning technique, where हमारे पास कोई भी अनलेबल डेटा नहीं गिवन है, अगर हमारे पास मल्टीपल एनिमल्स के इमेजेस है, उसमें से हमें क्या करना है कि मल्टीपल एनिमल्स के इमेजेस है, उसमें से हमें बस ग्रुपिंग करनी है कि अगर हमारे पास 1000 नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स का डेटा है, सो उस 1000 नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स के डेटा में से कैट की इमेजेस का ग्रुप बनाना है, डॉग की इमेजेस का ग्रुप बनाना है, सो और अदर एनिमल्स का हमें क्या करना है, ग्रुपिंग करना है। तो लेबल डेटा के ऊपर वो वर्क नहीं करेगा, फीचर्स के ऊपर वर्क करेगा। तो कुछ इमेजेस के जो डेटा है वो हम क्या करेंगे, दूसरे एनिमल्स के डेटा के साथ मैच करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट वाली कैट की इमेज अगर दूसरे वाले कैट की इमेजेस के साथ उसके फीचर्स अगर मैच करते हैं तो हम क्या कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, ये दोनों इमेजेस कैट है। सिमिलरली अगर दूसरी इमेज बाकी के इमेजेस के साथ अगर हम मैच करके देखेंगे तो उसके फीचर्स कुछ सिमिलर दिखेंगे, डॉग की इमेजेस दिखेंगे। सो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, विदाउट लेबल डेटा हम जो भी हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स का डेटा है उसका ग्रुपिंग कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ अनसुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग टेक्निक। ओके, सो बोथ these techniques are database approach. So same in the rule based system we are constructing the logic or rules based on the knowledge and based on the data. Okay, so next thing is the advantages of the rule based system. Okay, so what is the advantages? So being one of the core technology is responsible for making the machine capable of the base learning, rule based learning. So rule based system offer a range of advantages like rule based system, rule based programming is easy to understand. It can be built to represent the expert judgment in the simple or complicated subject. It has a cause and effect in rule based system is transparent. It offers the flexibility and adequate the mechanism to model the several basic mental processes into the machine, and last thing is a mechanize the reasoning process. Okay, so these are the advantages of the rule based system. And what are the disadvantages of this rule based system? So truly exponentially beneficial, the rule based system have the certain drawbacks associated with them, such as they require the deep domain knowledge and manual work, manual work. Then generating the rules for a complex system is quite challenging and time consuming, because each and every time for each and every system we have to generate the rule. Okay, so because of this generating the rules, it becomes a complex system and it is a quite challenging and time consuming process. And the last point is it has a less learning capacity as it generates the results based on the rule. Okay, so based on the rule यहाँ पे हमें लेस लर्निंग कैपेसिटी होगी, बिकॉज जो भी हमारे पास रिजल्ट होगा जनरेट वो बेस्ड ऑन द रूल जनरेट होगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रूल बेस्ड सिस्टम एंड मशीन लर्निंग. So what is the difference here? In the rule based system we have, it is a simplified form of artificial intelligence, and the machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. In the rule based system it is based on facts and rule. Machine learning is based on the models. Okay, there are different models are present in the machine learning model. It labor the intensive and the hard to implement. It is easy to implement and use. Deliver the excellent performance with the narrow domain. It helps to deliver the more accurate result. And last point is limited to the human coded information, and it effortlessly deals with the complex and extensive data. Okay, so this is the difference between the rule based system and the machine learning. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the types of rule based system, that is the forward and the backward, forward chaining and backward chaining. Thank you.